Today I'm going to be showing you guys how this dash cam works. This is a ZMOPO. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this thing is super nice. It's super clear. This is going to be in full HD. It's going to have 3 cameras on this one right here. You can see it has this side completely adjustable. This side's completely adjustable. And then the front is going to be a stationary look out of the front type that's going to have, all your front views. And it also has a rear camera that I have installed on the back already. It's just an adhesive camera that you stick back there. You can route the wire any way that you want. How we're going to install this thing is on the dash. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Okay, so I just peeled this plastic adhesive off, or the adhesive cover, and I'm going to stick it right here in the unlocked position. Just press on it real hard and turn it to the locked position. And then you see there's a slot right here. It's going to go into the hole and slide it that way. And then you're going to tighten this knob down on the side. Whenever you have it where you want it. And that's pretty much good. I'm going to adjust these cameras and I'm going to hook the power up. Now you're going to hook up the power wire. And this is the rear view wire. And like I said, I'm going to get these two and just looking at both of us. So I'm going to adjust that. And adjust this, looking at my wife that's helping hold the camera. You can see the top left is the front camera. Top right is my rear camera. That's me. And that's the right camera. So as far as hooking it up, that's pretty much all there is to it. It does come with a 64 gig micro SD card for your recording. It can hold up to 256 gigs, but it also has loop recording. Loop recording is where it's going to automatically erase the old info and start recording over that without you having to go in there and manually erase it. So if you want to loop record it, you can do that, and you don't have to have too big of a micro SD card for that. Box, it is going to come with some wire guides to help you kind of stow away some of these wires, and a wire guide tool. That's to kind of put it behind some trim or something like that if you need to. It comes with a manual. And like I said, it's got the rear view camera in the back. So that's pretty much everything that's in the box. Finally, I'm going to show you the app that you can use. It's going to be Wi-Fi controlled. You have to go into the settings on the dash cam itself. You're going to have to enable Wi-Fi, get your phone, disconnect from your house Wi-Fi if you are connected to it. Okay, so you can see the general settings, Wi-Fi, go to on. Now you can see D8 5G popped up. We're going to connect to that. Now what I'm going to do is go back to the GFG Cam app, enter device, and here you're able to get all of your different cameras, all of your different pictures that have gotten taken, all of the different videos, and you'll have it straight to your phone instead of having to take it to your PC or something like that to be able to grab these videos off. You can just use the app. So I go here, and you can see all the videos that have been previously recorded. I can grab one, save it to my phone. So you can see we got a nice cleared picture of everything that's going on around us, and if I wanted something to be bigger, I can switch to just one of the cameras if I want to, like if I just wanted to see the rear camera. But I'm fine with it having all 4 there just so I can kind of see what's going on, and I know that all 4 cameras are working properly and looking at what I want them to look at. So that's pretty much all there is to this dash cam. If you need every single angle of your vehicle looked at while you're driving and to have it loop recording, this one is awesome and super easy to use. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.